Interviewer assessments in Zoho Recruit. Now, if an organization requires their interviewers to add structured feedback against specific questions that they ask to a candidate during an interview, they can utilize the interviewer assessments within Zoho Recruit. And to configure the interviewer assessments, navigate to the assessments module, click on the plus icon on the right top corner and select interviewer assessment. You can then go ahead, add the assessment name, select the type and the rating system as well. You can either select a thumb rating, which is a thumbs up or a thumb down, or you can select a star rating, which is a 5-star scale. Once you're done, you can then go ahead, given a competency title, which is nothing but a section within the assessment, add your question, and if you need this question to be mandatory, click on the gear icon on the right side and mark this as mandatory. When you do so, the interviewer is forced to add both a rating and a comment against that particular question. You can then go ahead and add additional questions. You can also choose to import questions from priorly created assessments by clicking on Clone Existing Competency, select the assessment, and then select the questions that you would like to import. And then once you click on Save, these questions will be imported into the newly created assessment. Once you're done and you click on Save, this assessment will be available the next time you're going to schedule an interview within Zoho Recruit. So when I click on assessment name, I can review the different interviewer assessments that are available. So once an interview is actually scheduled, the interviewer can log into the interviews module, select the interview that they are responsible for, click on submit evaluation on the right top corner. But keep in mind, the submit evaluation option will only work once the interview has started or after the end time of the interview. So the interviewer can go ahead, click on submit evaluation, and then add their ratings against each of these questions. Again, keep in mind, if a particular question is marked as mandatory, the interviewer will definitely have to add a comment as well. Now, the overall rating here is a cumulative average of all the ratings that were submitted earlier for each of the questions. The interviewer can still choose to change the overall rating, and then they can also select the overall interview status as well. Once they are done, they can go ahead and click on Submit Evaluation. Once the evaluation has been submitted, automatically a copy of the feedback is saved on the candidate record under the Ratings and Reviews section that other users can come in and review the feedback submitted by the interviewer for this specific candidate.